Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nasreen, and today I wanted to do a video on this really cool product I was sent, the Mudnmore MixBall. I really like it because it's easy to use, it mixes the mud really good, and cleanup's a snap. It's perfect for quick jobs like this backsplash I'm about to grout right now. Stay tuned for that video, it's gonna be a good one. It comes with this mixing ball, this spatula paddle, and 2 cups, one for powder and one for water. We're gonna add some grout and water. Now we're gonna put the spatula in the drill, tighten it up, ready to use. This ball is so easy to use, it just kind of mixes all in there. Now you get your ball and squeeze it out. Squeeze all that mud out of there. Look at how creamy that looks. Yeah, that looks nice. One of the best things about this ball is once the mud dries, you don't have to throw it away like you would a bucket. It just comes right off. Watch this. You just turn it inside out. It's so easy to clean up. Look at that, it just came right off. And then you just rinse this off and you're done instead of sitting there scrubbing a bucket trying to get that stuff off. That's awesome. Clean it off with some water. This is a lifesaver, I'm telling you. I've spent so many times cleaning those buckets, just trying to get that mud off of the walls and the bottom. Sometimes I just feel like throwing the bucket away, but I don't like to waste money, so I'm always cleaning it. Dry it off, and it's ready to go for the next use. Now we're gonna flip it, and it's ready to use. I highly recommend this product, not just because they gave it to me, but because I use it all the time and it works really good. They run about $25 to $30, and as always, the link's in the description below. If you guys like good home tips and DIY videos, make sure and hit the subscribe button. See you guys next time. Share my videos. It's also fun because you can play with it. Woo!